Hi folks, Adam Harlan with you from Real Estate Alliance Victoria. Here today to introduce you to this very classy townhouse situated at 238 Capel Avenue, Capel Sound. Come and have a wander with me. A welcoming sunny northerly aspect highlights the lower level with air-conditioned open plan living, adjoining modern well-fitted kitchen complemented by stone bench tops, elongi cooking appliances and great storage space. The upper level includes a roomy second living area with study nook at the top of a feature stairwell, family bathroom, 3 generous row bedrooms, master suite with its own well-appointed ensuite, enjoying double shower. Situated just a few hundred metres to cafes, local shopping and beautiful sandy shores that are easily accessed by pedestrian crossing, this new quality built townhouse offers a lengthy list of features delivered in stunning style. And all of this right in your backyard.